Hello everyone and welcome to Module 2 of Lesson 11. In the previous module, we covered the topic of identifying project risks. Today we will explore performing qualitative risk analysis. Let's begin with the objectives and importance of this process. The main objective of qualitative risk analysis is to evaluate and prioritize risks based on their probability and impact. This helps in determining which risks require more attention. Qualitative risk analysis helps focus resources on the most critical risks, ensuring that high-priority risks are managed effectively and efficiently. Qualitative risk analysis evaluates and prioritizes risks, allowing for effective resource allocation and risk management. Let's delve into the specific purposes of qualitative risk analysis. The primary purpose is to assess risks based on their likelihood and potential impact, and then prioritize them for further action. This process ensures that the project team focuses on high-priority risks, allocating resources and efforts where they are needed most. Evaluating and prioritizing risks allows the project team to focus on managing high-priority risks effectively. Let's go through the steps involved in performing qualitative risk analysis. Assessment. To evaluate the potential impact and likelihood of identified risks. Techniques such as interviews, expert judgment, and risk workshops are commonly used. The assessment step evaluates risks based on their potential impact and likelihood using various techniques. Probability and impact assessment. Assess the likelihood of each risk occurring. Evaluate the potential consequences if the risk materializes. Use a predefined scale, e.g., 1 to 5 or low, medium, high, to rate probability and impact. Assessing probability and impact involves evaluating the likelihood and potential consequences of each risk using a predefined scale. Rating. Calculate a risk rating by combining the probability and impact scores. To quantify risks for easier comparison and prioritization. Higher ratings indicate more significant risks that require more attention. Rating risks by combining probability and impact scores helps quantify risks for prioritization. Prioritization. Techniques such as risk matrix and Pareto analysis are used to prioritize risks. To determine which risks need immediate attention and resources. Prioritization techniques help identify which risks require immediate action and resources. Data review. To ensure the accuracy and completeness of risk data. Regularly review and update risk data to reflect current project conditions. Reviewing risk data ensures accuracy and keeps the analysis current and relevant. The steps in qualitative risk analysis include assessment, probability and impact evaluation, rating, prioritization, and data review. Now, let's explore the key outputs of qualitative risk analysis. Prioritized risk list. To create a list of risks ranked by their priority. This helps focus efforts on the most critical risks. A prioritized risk list focuses attention on the most critical risks, ensuring efficient resource allocation. Risk register updates. To update the risk register with new information from the qualitative analysis. Includes risk descriptions, ratings, priorities, and response plans. Updating the risk register ensures it reflects the latest analysis and provides a comprehensive view of project risks. Inputs for quantitative risk analysis. To provide a basis for more detailed quantitative risk analysis. Includes prioritized risks, probability and impact ratings, and relevant data. Providing inputs for quantitative risk analysis ensures a more detailed and data-driven approach to risk management. The key outputs of qualitative risk analysis are a prioritized risk list, updates to the risk register, and inputs for quantitative risk analysis. Let's review the benefits of qualitative risk analysis. Risk prioritization helps in prioritizing risks, focusing on the most critical ones. Focus mitigation efforts ensures that resources are allocated to mitigate high-priority risks effectively. Improve decision-making enhances decision-making by providing clear information on risk priorities. Enhance stakeholder communication, improves communication with stakeholders by clearly identifying and prioritizing risks. Early risk identification, facilitates early identification and management of potential risks. The benefits of qualitative risk analysis include better risk prioritization, focused mitigation, improved decision-making, enhanced communication, and early risk identification. In a conclusion, in this module, we covered the importance and process of performing qualitative risk analysis. Key takeaways. Use various techniques for comprehensive risk identification and assessment. Document risks thoroughly and keep the risk register updated. Prioritize risks to ensure efficient resource allocation. By the end of this module, you should be able to perform qualitative risk analysis effectively, prioritize risks, and prepare for quantitative analysis. Thank you for your attention. In the next module, we proceed to the performing quantitative risk analysis. Also, thank you for the support. Like and subscribe to the channel.